Everyone, today I am reviewing this TSWA pop-up tent. It's easy to pop up. It has doors and a screen on both sides that zip up. Open mesh at the top with the cover. Really simple to open up. And then really simple to zip it up. Now when you're taking it down, you want to make sure that the doors are zipped up so that there's not a lot of extra fabric kind of kicking around. All right, the next step is you're just going to untie it. Okay, and they're going to break it down. So you're going to take the end and you're going to snap it back in place. It was snapped in place when you opened it up. Now, you're going to use two people. It's going to be easier. And basically, you're going to twist. Have one person twist. It might be a little easier.
Put the hand over.
And you just twist. Now you can see where the fabric is all bunched up, and you're just going to kind of tuck it all in. And then it'll fit right back in the bag, and you will be good to go. Actually, go ahead and pop it out. We don't need, go ahead and pop it out, please. So when you get it out of the bag, it looks like this, and we'll just do another quick demonstration on how to fold it up. Complete unpop. Okay, so once you unhook it, not the best way. I know it tells you in the ad to just throw it in throw it on the ground, but that was fairly easy. So again, real quick, guys, if you could just twirl it back up, twist it back up. So again, you're going to take the ends.
Can you see the other two, Ben?
Whoops, they got it all confused. Sorry, guys. But this is typically how you're all going to be when you try to put it back together to fold it up. And as you can see, even my daughter can do it. And then you just grab it together. And let me go ahead and get now. Again, she is just holding the ends. She's not going to be twisting at all. We'll let him do all the twisting. Whoops, and that will happen. So don't panic if this happens. Now what happened is it popped out and you just pop it right back in. So it's kind of good that that happened. So you all don't freak out if it happens to you. So again, he's just going to gather it. She's staying still. And he's twisting it. And then I did it again. My husband fails on this one. And then there you go. It's back together. You take all the extra fabric, you bunch it inside. Usually I bunch it inside here.
Yeah.
And they did sleep in it last night. They were fine. And there you go. It goes right back in the bag. Really easy. Enjoy, folks.